120 frames per second, the process imager PI is able to detect fast-moving objects. Such events can be recorded as a radiometric infrared video or as automatically triggered snapshots. To demonstrate it, you only need a laptop, the PI camera, an USB cup warmer, and as a measurement object, the lens protection cap from the PI. After switching on our heat source, the lens cap gets warm quite fast. We start the video recording in the software with 120 Hz full speed and drop the object in front of the camera. For a better view of the recorded video, we can adjust the play rate. With a tenth of the original speed or even slower, the falling object becomes visible. The video can be stopped anytime, and you can analyze it frame by frame.